Hi, this is Mithun from Tenet Technetronics. Today let's see how to interface and stepper motor with Launchpad. I will control the elevator using MSP Launchpad. This is the basic elevator model. The stepper motor is placed on top of the model for controlling the elevator. This is the main power supply breakout by Tenet Technetronics, which provides 12 volt power supply. I have written the code in the Launchpad to control the motor. The MSP will drive the motor through ULN. I am choosing the 4 switches for selecting the flows. Let us see how it works. Now the elevator is in ground floor. Suppose I need it in second floor. I will select this switch. Then I will select first floor. Then third floor. Ground floor. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, visit www.tenetech.com.